ABC.
Let's find the shapes. Come on, let's go. Circle, square, and more to show. Circle, circle, ball so round. Circle, circle, roll on the ground. Square, square, table so neat. Square, square, a perfect seat. Triangle, triangle, slice of pie. Triangle, triangle, point to the sky. Rectangle, rectangle, door so tall. Rectangle, rectangle, hanging on the wall. Oval, oval, egg so white. Oval, oval, such a sight. Star, star, twinkle so bright. Star, star, shining at night. Heart, heart, card for you. Heart, heart, red and true. Diamond, diamond, kite so high. Diamond, diamond, fly in the sky. Pentagon, Pentagon, house top tall. Pentagon, Pentagon, shapes for all. Hexagon, Hexagon, honeybee's door. Hexagon, Hexagon, buzz for more. We found the shapes, we found the shapes, we found the shapes. Circle, square, and more to make. We found the shapes, we found the shapes. Learning shapes is fun today.
Starlala ABC. Please subscribe for more fun videos.